Alice and company are standing on a bridge of epicacity. Hello guys and girls, my name is Voices from the Dark. Welcome to Dawnguard episode 14, take 2. Yes, I just did this episode, and you wanna know something very funny? I wasn't recording microphones, so here we go again. God dang it, I gotta learn to like double check. Alright, so where are we headed this episode? I believe we are headed... I think this is actually main quest and that we don't need to do it. I don't think we need to do this quest. I'm not sure. So we're just gonna go do side quests this episode. Like killing the vampire and retrieving some shock bolts. We'll return with them and we'll tell them, yeah, we did it. Let me just start a timer. Timer ticking. Oh, we got bad guys up ahead. Let's mix. Wait, that was the wrong bolts. I'm gonna have some exploding bolts. Oh yeah, that's how these sound like. Alright, it's time to have exploding bolts of fire. Where are you guys? Oh, there we go. Oh, come on now, frame rate. I just did an episode. What's wrong? Anyway, you're going down, son. Oh! Poor troll. And yes, I did notice that I got Sanguine Vampirus. I'm gonna get rid of it. Sometimes I'm not seeing it. It's... Die. Wah! Let me kill her. Wah! She's mine. Got her. Freaking dragon? I don't want to fight a dragon. Screw that. Aw, poor James. Only his fat is left behind him. Ooh, can I read this? Ah. I should have figured. Trying to read the scroll will make you blind. That was kind of epic though. That was worth trying out. Otherworld necklace. Okay. Recharge. Because we're gonna go after a master vampire, so we better be prepared. Alright. You coming? She's fighting a bear or something. Screw that. Gonna go after the vampire. I've noticed that in my my two latest videos. They've been kind of short and I haven't really progressed a lot since I did a lot of selling. So I've decided to do all inventory selling. Sorry, off camera. I think that is a better idea. So I'm gonna try and do it a bit more fast paced because I'm really excited to go back to Gajor. Then we need to finish off Dawnguard and see what type Alice is to be in season 2. Down here we have the alchemist shack. Some juniper berries and some plate wooden, bowl wooden. Oh, I actually picked up the bowl wooden. It's quite good. I like that. Now it can be in my inventory. So every time I open my inventory, I gotta say it's wow, wow. Animo. Ooh, 75 one-handed. In Oblivion, that would mean that we were a expert. I think it was novice, adept, journeyman, expert, master. I think that's how like the ranks went. Good old Oblivion. I still prefer Oblivion over Skyrim. I don't know, it was just something about the Oblivion atmosphere when I first got the game. I was just amazed. I was... Dawnguard the Wanderer. What are you doing here, dude? Get out of here. I know, if you compare Oblivion and Skyrim now, you might think, why? But, you know, graphics isn't everything. And at the time, those were good graphics, so you weren't really put off by that, as you are now. I mean, if you look at the comparison between the orcs and, like... Things have improved in Skyrim. People look like Maik the Liar says it himself. People say people are prettier in Skyrim. So that is nice. Wait, I got this guy. Ooh, katabajaboo! You didn't die, how dare you? Dang it! Cool thing about the firebolts is that they can explode on the ground and cause damage to nearby people. Alright, bring it on. Bring it on.
Who's there?
Not me! God dang it. Gotta get my aim straight. I gotta get it on. She's down. James died pretty early on, but in the last episode I had big trouble with James. I was being chased by a lot of vampires, tried to run down a narrow hallway, and James was there and I died. So I'm kinda glad he's gone. He was a bastard. Wah! I'll get you. Wah! Dang it! Yeah. Oh, Mr. Crossbow. Archery increase. Good. I'm gonna get to 60 archery. It's time to die. Gotcha. Hey there. Oh. 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 Poor dude. Let's continue. Killing vampires. I guess if you join the vampire side, you're gonna go around killing Dawnguards. Kaboom!
Keep your eyes open here.
I will. It was a Khajiit! No, not a vampire Khajiit. I don't want to fight you. It is time to. Oh! Good going, Zorana. I thought there's somebody down. Night Stalker. Gotcha. Bring it on, girl. Kaboom. Good, good. I'm sorry for not running around and looting a lot. I just did this, and we don't necessarily need all of the loot. And hopefully, we can pack more action into one episode, because I feel kind of bad about the last episodes. And I'm still sniffly as hell these mornings. It's freaking annoying. Kaboom. We can always buy more elemental bolts when we come back. There's no problem, really. Chick, chick, chick. Soul gem. Hey there. Kaboom. How's it going? You're dead. Awesome. Alright, now it's time to take on the Master Vampire. I'm so annoyed I have to replay this, but you know, that's the price you gotta pay for not checking before recording. I just assumed everything was okay. I've always done the sound check, and it's always been working, so I was like, ah, screw it. But of course then it's not working and I'm being killed. Run, run, run. Zorana, Zorana. Come on. Ah, where did my magicka go? God, did he deplete my magicka? Oh lord, I want to be careful about these guys. Get off of the bandits so he can't do more damage. Chick, 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 chick. Do I have anything like damage health wise? No, I don't. It's me versus him. Get out of my way. Ugh. Ugh. Gotcha. You okay, Zorana? Where do you think you're going? Good, good.
Okay with the dark.
Oh my lord, we're outside. She tells me, let's go in a cave. We're in a cave. She tells me, oh, let's go outside. Who's down here? What? This doesn't make sense. The last time I came here, she was naked. Why are you not naked?
Makes everything else worth it.
Eat. Nom 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 nom. Alright. First, we gotta check the loot. Ring of Recovery. It's a pretty beast ring. Last episode, I found like a Master Robe of Conjuration in there, though, which was pretty epic. Okay, done and done. We killed a vampire. Now we need to retrieve the shock bolt schematics. They're at the Valtheim Towers. And to get there, we should go from... Let's go to the Hunting Broom Meadery, a classic place if you watch the Kajor series. It used to be the gang's hideout back in season 1. Your armor... But James was dead, so of course he left my service. I saw his dead body, so don't try to fool me, game. Might as well just continue up the roads. Auto run enabled. And somebody was wondering how I could carry so much as I am right now, and it's just because I've been upgrading my stamina. If you upgrade your stamina and you choose the steeds, look at my stamina. Barely going down, it's perfect for traveling. Is that right, Serana? I remember this place very well. Up there is where we started Kajor episode 2. I must say, my Kajor accent has kind of changed over the time. When I look back at it. Oh god, I got a sneeze coming up. No! I don't want to sneeze. No. No. Alright, I'm good. Gonna spare you for all the disgusting noises because I can easily cut it out with the X-Story. I heard something. Oh, excuse me, Sabrecat. I'm too busy sneezing to be... Oh, go away, please. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Up there's the Serpent Stone. But we're okay. Another Sabrecat. I'll kick your butt. Gotcha. Alright. Serana's coming. Good, good, good. Now, the Voltime towers are pretty commonplace, so to speak. We came up with Kajor. We did an epic shot. I don't know if that was episode 2 or 3. I think it was episode 2. Good times, good times. Now, let's see if we can't do some shooting as well. See some... No! They're already moving. I can't do it when you guys are moving about. Screw it. I'm just gonna go in. Sword blazing. I don't know. I won't pay. You'll pay. Girl, where are you at? I'll teach you a thing or two. Wow! Whoa! Spell of fire! Okay, great. My power attack actually threw me off the bridge. Dang it! Serana, go in and show them who's boss. Who's got the Mazamulak ball? Are you prepared to die? That's the question you gotta ask yourself, young lady. Because I think you are. You look perfectly ready. So taste my... Oh, she died. I drained her health. Now let's fight on the bridge. Charge! Wah! Wah! Epic. Holy hell, they have like some sort of crazy pyromancer over here. Oh, gee, where you at, Chief? Oh, that was a lady. Wow, she was actually quite good. Staff of Firebolts, that's what she did. Time to die. Wah! Perfect. That's the vault. Excuse me, Serana? That is the Voltime towers completely cleared of enemies. And if we now run up here, over there, check under here. 3 more exploding shock bolts. Now that we learned that, we have completed our side quest and can return to Fort Dawnguard. Some people. Alright guys, I have returned. What's up?
This is fine for now, but we can't stay holed up here forever.
He has been destroyed.
Very good. Though I suspect there's more wherever he came from. We cannot afford to relax.
And we will not. What can I do to help?
Speak with Florentius. He has something for you.
Okay.
Keep yourself armed and protected as best you can.
I just want to see what you have for sale. You're selling some of this, which is okay. What else do you have? You have some glass weapons. Maybe I could buy the glass weapons, and I kind of want to have a new melee weapon beyond the ebony axe. It's It's weird, but charcoal! Okay, let's move on.
Take care of yourself.
I did it.
Back already?
Yep.
Let's see. Ooh, this diagram explains
It's not
the
very
fact that
polite to stand there and do
Don't
blacksmithing when
stuff
you're talking to somebody.
Testing this will require some extra precautions, I think.
Yeah?
Let me show you how it's made.
Necklace of disease immunity.
You have the smithing skills. You should be able to make this yourself at Gunmar's Forge.
Thank you.
Either way, I'll have some for sale soon.
What can I do to help now?
I'm starting to think you like this as much as I do. Here's the location of the next set of Dwemer diagrams.
Retrieve the dwarven crossbow. Finally, all of this is completely custom, because last time she didn't give me that necklace and it wasn't in that location, so that's kind of cool. Or is it necklace of disease immunity? I want that. Or that could be really good considering I'm fighting vampires. Wait, have I contracted sanguine vampirus? Yep. Now I remember. Alright, something I do want to do is that I want to buy some of your new bolts late.
Certainly try.
Well, we can't train more at this level. What have you got for...
I can certainly
Oh! I hate the PC controls in here.
I can certainly try.
You can certainly try to shut up. That's what you can do.
I like what Eastron has done with.
What do we got for
Not
sale?
easy to get supplies way out here, but I'm managing.
You're selling 2 pieces of this. That's cool. I'm gonna buy all the bolts. I know they're kind of pricey, but I mean they're epic. No, I'm not the kind of guy who likes to buy stuff like that. It's just.
Until next time.
Okay, Florentius, where are you at?
What's right is what's
You thought I was gonna shout charcoal, didn't ya? Hey, Florentius.
Watching over me for years.
What can I do to help?
Arke has some grave news, friend.
Has he left you?
Your friend, kidnapped.
Who?
Vicious Night Stalker rules over a group of bandits. Seeks to gain leverage over the righteous. Arke
Yes.
is never clear on life and death. Is she still alive? There's always
Rest. Who the hell is Hamal?
What are you doing that so?
I knew it would come to this one day.
I knew, and no one believed me. You freaking emo is Ron.
Strangest accident.
Let's see. Okay, so we have. Wait, is there anything we
I
can
always try to be
smith?
ready for anything.
We do have some Daedra heart, so we could actually make ourselves a Daedric sword if Gunmar has some ebony ingots.
This is fine.
I don't know. I
for
just
now.
kind of tired of the
That's
vampire
whole
sword.
kit. What do you need? Blades, armor, smithing materials?
Do you have any? He does. Perfect. Oh god, they're really pricey. It is going to go towards a new weapon though, so oh, that hurt me in the wallet.
Good luck.
If you appreciate all the horrible things that
Okay.
can happen to you if you're not being
So if we go down to Daedric, what can we make? Oh, a Daedric sword only requires 2. Oh, so that's freaking dandy. Alright, so we should make our... We already have a Daedric mace. It's so overpowered. I want to have a sword, a Daedric sword. That's what I want. Gonna need some leather strips. Gunmar is probably selling.
Speak with Florentius.
No,
What do
selling.
you need? Blades, armor, smithing materials?
Do you have some leather strips? Thank you. I'll take a couple. Probably something I can sell here. Dawnguard rune hammer. Oh, I never showed it to you. Actually, it's crap. I didn't even notice what it did. I was just hitting it. I saw some weird, flashy things. It was strange. Screw 6. It's just because when I press on Alice, I should see. Take the ingots I don't need.
Good luck.
And it's time to make Daedric sword. Actually, I'm gonna require one of those ingots back. I need to improve on my my sword.
Don't forget that.
I can improve on Aila's shield. Epic. I still have that.
We'll stop these monks. This is everything
I know I'm using a lot of money right now, but money isn't really a problem. It's easy to obtain. and get off that thing.
Take care of yourself.
I need to use this. Get off. Thank you. Do I have anything that's gonna improve my smithing abilities? Fortify smithing. I'll drink that. And use the grindstone. And now I can make the Daedric sword legendary. I can actually improve on this as well. I can actually improve on the devil. I don't know, I just want to make something new. Brand new weapon. Can improve on the crossbow. Good! And now to place an enchant. Get off the table! Everybody's using what I'm gonna use.
Gunmore.
Daedric sword legendary.
Borrow a troll.
We should. What kind of enchant should we give this? We should give it a soul trap enchant at
A live
least.
target would be
If a
helpful.
target dies within, we're gonna be hitting them so fast it doesn't really matter. Let's say 4 seconds for more charges, and we should do some shock damage. That's perfect for mages, I mean. Alright, so soul trap and shock damage. I will use my black soul gem. I'm gonna rename this. This is going to be. Thank you, Mr. Dama. Oh, this is going to be Mr. Stabby. Alright. He's officially here to replace my vampire sword. Oh, sexy. Alright. And there we go.
Years now. Says he's not too sure about
Perfecto, excelente. And that was actually the timer for the episode. Well, if you know what main quest I'm supposed to do, please let me know. If I can't figure it out, I guess I'll just do more side quests for now. I mean, it's cool, we're getting new weapons and armor and toys and just tools of destruction. But my name's been Voices from the Dark. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Alice looks kind of scared. What's wrong, Alice? I don't know, maybe it's just Serana being all creepy like. We'll see you in the next episode, so stay awesome, take care, and most importantly, stay dark. Goodbye, everybody.